Last week's assignment had to do with modifiers and their comparisons using the positive, comparative, and superlative case. This week we are looking at the irregular modifiers. So, of course, we just don't have perfect words that translate into each of those elements. We have to have these little glitchy words. You have a list of some of those words in front of you. So think about how we change the word good. We don't say gooder, we say better. Or the word bad doesn't say badder, it says worse. So we have these sort of unusual words in the English language that makes it so that we don't entirely have even keel switches from positive to comparative to superlative. And then notice with a lot of these, they sort of pair up. So badly and ill both go to worse. Well, bad, badly, and ill all go to worse. Or far and far, meaning distance versus degree or time, that changes. So far as distance, right? So I ran farther than my son Evan would be the distance one, versus I had to discuss further with Evan his misbehavior at dinner or whatever it might be. So those change. And then same with, we've got many and much just goes to more and most. Most of this is common sense and you'll recognize it sort of right away. And these aren't all of them, but they're most. So what does that look like for your assignment for this week? Well, same as last week, we just go ahead and go into our assignment. You get 20 tries. You just type in your answer. So of my 3 sisters, Rita lives the farthest away. And then maybe, double check. So we go back here and we go, ooh, far, yep, farthest. Yep. If it was degree or time, it would be furthest, but because it's distance, that is correct. And so then we go back there and we say save and we move on to our next one. That's it. That's all you have to do this week for that assignment.